Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete reposted videos on TikTok. For example, if you want to delete videos you have recently reposted on TikTok, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. In general, you can simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. In transfer or reset iPhone, you will find the option of reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store. In App Store, you can simply search for the TikTok app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update this TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, you have to simply open the TikTok app on your iPhone. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to the profile section, and if you will find the option of reposted video, then you will not find in settings. So here are the reposted videos, so you can simply find the arrow in a circle, so you will find the reposted video. So if you want to delete the video, the option is as simple that you have to simply open that video, and after that you will find the share button, and here you will find the option of the delete repost. So here you can simply delete repost from videos from your profile. So if you want to delete them, you can simply delete one by one, and after that all of your videos will be deleted. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.